Good morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, little social studies children. I hope you're doing well. It's Monday, the 29th, 2 days before spring break. And I want to take a minute to kind of go over everything we're going to do today. And I just want to let y'all know that in the next 2 days, your teachers, and myself included, we're trying to sneak in quizzes and tests and make sure we have all of our work turned in before we go on spring break. So when we come back, we can start new units or continue existing units of study. So today I'll take attendance, and I would like for us to review for today's test. Now, here is the Ancient Greece Study Guide. I made this available to you on Friday, and it's also a little bit different because I put links to every single thing we did in class here. And I want you to know that all the things here are on your test, okay? So the information is here. It's only 7 questions. It's up to you to use these resources here to find these answers and review this timeline. Now, the second thing, and this is where I'd like us to spend most of our time today, is practicing for tomorrow using Socrative. Here's the room number. That's letter 0, numbers 1, 8, number 0, 3. And I kind of spell that out on my canvas here, where go to Socrative.com, click the blue login button, enter the room code, and then work your way through the next 47 questions. It's a great way to study today. While y'all are doing the Socrative and the study guide, I will be going through the speed grader and grading everyone's work. So if you happen to finish any of these, or if you need to take your quiz, or if you need to turn in any of this stuff, go right ahead. Now listen, here's the good news. I'm going to change this right here so it reflects that, but I'm going to assume that everybody did this, and I'm going to save you the trouble of having to turn it in. Like I said, I know you did it. I'm just not going to make you turn it in. So that will be put in PowerSchool today, and everything will be gravy on that, and we'll be good to go. So if you took your second attempt on your quiz, that is still available. And just let me know if there's any questions today. I'm going to keep us in the Zoom for synchronous time and then let you go during async time. So please just ask questions if you have them. Good luck. Try to tidy up all the loose ends you have before we go to spring break. Love you. Bye-bye.